Hello, everyone. Some moments are so bizarre. You gasp. Wait, is this real? But cameras never lie. Let's dive into a collection of jaw-dropping and unbelievable scenes captured in real life, where nature and reality collide in ways that leave us absolutely stunned.
Northbound Westfield to Agler. Go! God damn it! God damn it!
Feeling fire outside.
Whoa!
A thrilling chase straight out of a movie suddenly unfolded in Massachusetts, starring a cow that absolutely refused to be caught. Think fixing a car is boring. Wait until an unexpected passenger shows up in the trunk mid-inspection. Imagine stepping outside and finding your car broken into, not by a thief, but a hungry bear in broad daylight.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah, it busted.
Forgetting your wallet at the store is normal, but crashing through a glass door like this deer did, totally unexpected.
Hi, buddy. What are you doing? He's putting it down.
Wow.
You think the bathroom is the last safe place? Not in Australia. Always check before you sit down, or you might find something. Not the toilet lid. In Boulder, Colorado, a bear casually turned someone's porch into a fine dining spot, munching on pumpkins like it's a fall buffet. Meanwhile, a bear in Connecticut sniffed every pumpkin, picked the best one, and walked away like it just paid with eye contact. Canadian geese don't need a reason to get angry. One look longer than half a second, and that dog found out the hard way. Think only humans do yoga. A black bear in Colombia looked ready to sign up for a gym membership. A heart-stopping video from North Vancouver shows a large black bear inspecting a trash can just inches from the front of a car.
scary noise at all.
Shit. Again.
He's not scared.
On August 5th in California, a teacher walked into her classroom only to find a very unusual student, a baby bear picking its seat.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
A crocodile hiding under a shopping cart at a Publix in South Carolina shut the whole area down. Moral: always check under your feet, even for a quick grocery run. In South Carolina, a crocodile calmly crossed at a pedestrian walkway, showing off its polite model citizen manners. Authorities warn, leave food or garbage outside, and your porch could host an entire bear feast. On June 8th in Sisters Rodeo, a bull jumped over the barricade mid-rodeo and charged into the crowd. A terrifying moment for all.
Shot out that one.
Oh, he's...
In Florida, sidewalks aren't just for pedestrians anymore. A 5-foot lizard took a leisurely stroll like it owned the neighborhood.
Is it clear? Yeah.
A mountain lion was caught on camera in Milpitas, California, jumping a fence and walking through an alleyway, leaving residents stunned. A bear in California sneaked into a garage, opened the fridge, and walked off with a cake. Experts warn bears getting used to human food is a dangerous trend.
Oh my god.
We should go pet it.
In Frisco, Colorado, a baby moose appeared in a neighborhood and impressively paused to look both ways before crossing.
I'll tell you what, here, I'm gonna walk behind you. Do me a favor.
Who says only humans hit the gym? A deer in Louisville, Kentucky, entered a fitness center, forcing the police to politely escort it out.
Trespassing to the property, girl, okay?
A donkey gave viewers a fright by standing still on the train tracks as a train sped toward it. Luckily, the driver stopped just in time.
What the hell?
Wow.
Family in Washington couldn't believe their eyes when a bald eagle, America's symbol, paid them a visit and stared right through their window. A resident in Pennsylvania was shocked to find an ostrich strolling in front of their house. The whole neighborhood buzzed with curiosity.
Yeah.
A curious bear dropped by someone's porch, climbed onto a chair, and sniffed around, maybe looking for cake on its birthday. In Tennessee, a black bear climbed onto a truck and grabbed a plastic bag like it was doing weekly shopping. The owner said, he visits often. In Florida, a brave dog named Lucy stood her ground, facing off a black bear through the glass door like she was saying, "This is my territory."
Guys, any little one? Yeah.
Summer cleaning tip. Always check behind the bookshelf. You never know if someone unexpected is reading with you.
I'll catch him now. Here we go.
Only in Florida can you see a golf cart, fake flamingos, and a massive alligator enjoying a casual stroll like it's the weekend. These scientists ventured into the danger zone to save critical data. A powerful reminder that courage is part of science too. Gentoo penguins begin their snowy trek and ocean dive, searching for new waters in a seasonal migration. At Everglades National Park, tourists were stunned to witness a tense face-off between an American alligator and a caiman.
Oh no!
This dog just redefined chill pet, wearing a yellow life jacket and cruising on a jet ski like a pro rider. Humpback whales glide across the ocean, performing nature's majestic symphony in full display. It started with a drip. Then the entire ceiling of a Texas bedroom collapsed. A terrifying moment caught on camera. A spring storm dropped the year's first hailstones in Colorado, tapping like a chilly welcome to the new season. This isn't a movie, it's real life. A helicopter landed right on the highway, leaving drivers in awe. The sun and moon appeared together in the daytime sky, a rare and stunning sight. Do you know what this phenomenon is called? Whales migrate from icy northern waters to warmer bays, continuing the ancient rhythm of life across the seas. City traffic is one thing, but being stuck in the middle of a bison herd in Yellowstone, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
And acknowledge you. So once they acknowledge you, typically you can just move through without trying to...
In North Vancouver, a deer stood outside a liquor store like it was deciding which wine to grab for dinner. An oil pipeline blazing like a volcano. A fire tornado blazed across the landscape, whipping like a living creature. A scene so rare you may never see it twice. It's not smoke or dust, it's a tornado of insects. This bizarre real-life phenomenon in Missouri left witnesses rubbing their eyes.
Garrick! Garrick!
In Yellowstone, nature can get up close. A massive bison appeared just outside a car window, stunning everyone.
Go! No!
Ain't got nothing for you, buddy.
Who said amusement parks are just for people? In Tennessee, a black bear casually visited a theme park and enjoyed lunch like a guest.
Oh!
Ooh.
One night in Brasilia, a pack of capybaras marched through a residential area, all thanks to the family dog who sounded the alarm. Sometimes alligators cross the road not to cause chaos, but simply to sunbathe, a peaceful break in their daily routine.
A shocking amount of love bugs.
How would you react if you woke up to find a beetle band jamming outside your door?
A shocking amount of love bugs. I've never seen anything like it.
Not a thief, but a furious turkey, fighting its own reflection. Unfortunately, a convertible became the unwitting battleground. Maine went all in with nearly 5 inches of snow, right in the middle of spring. Weather loves surprises. That sound, crispy, crunchy satisfaction. Ever heard ice stacking? If not, this is winter's own symphony, composed by nature itself. Not a sled, not skis, a canoe. 2 men in Alabama turned an icy path into the most creative winter joyride. Think that's safety glass? Nope, just a rock-solid layer of ice and snow covering the car overnight. Driving safely in snowy conditions is always the top priority. Don't take chances. A Cirrus SR-22 nearly had a rough landing in Tampa, but the pilot expertly aborted and pulled off a smooth touchdown.
No, don't crash! Holy crap, whoa!
1 Sierra Bravo going around. 1 Sierra Bravo, roger, you coming back in.
When nature gets this close, your only choice is to stay calm and show respect. A rare, beautiful moment of human-wildlife proximity. A rare sight, dolphins riding the waves off Dana Point, a dazzling display of nature's playful elegance. Three curious bear cubs explored a fountain in South Lake Tahoe, a delightful slice of wilderness wonder. As Hilton Head residents rushed for shelter from an approaching storm, a chill alligator strutted down the street like it owned the place.
Imagine walking around the corner and seeing that sucker.
Hey, babe. Curtis, just stand there.
Carrying a bucket of ice and bump into a bear in the parking lot. Would you freeze or flee? Comment your reaction.
Move.
Tens of thousands of migrating birds created a living cyclone across the sky, a breathtaking aerial phenomenon. These dolphins looked like they were competing for Underwater Acrobat of the Year, flipping mid-air with incredible flair. A playful scare from Tripod the crocodile at Top End gave a group of girls a photo they'll never forget, and heartbeats they'll never unhear.
Right here, one of them. Oh God, a bunch of whales are gonna come up right now.
Julie thought she'd be watching whales from a distance, but they swam right up to say hello.
Oh
With winds over 100 mph, this twister ripped through a neighborhood, sending debris flying and slamming into a car.
I hope this stops.
Oh my god, look at this thing.
Snakes love hidden corners. Sometimes the office ends up being their new home sweet home.
Yeah, just had a heart attack almost. Look at this guy. How do I get him out? There he goes. Earlier today, I heard something when I walked up. But I didn't know what it was.
Think traffic jams are bad? Try getting stuck behind hundreds of bison the size of SUVs. Welcome to the wild version of gridlock.
No events, thankful.
When angry waters roar, the whole canyon shakes. Nature is breathtaking and brutally unforgiving. They say standing still is safe, but not for this tricycle truck. Sudden loss of control proves danger doesn't always need movement. Oh no, the raw power of nature is truly beyond prediction. In the middle of the vast ocean, a pod of dolphins suddenly appeared. A breathtaking gift from nature that left tourists speechless. Flames exploded like a crimson beast, tearing through the night sky. A scene that left witnesses holding their breath in fear. Raging waters tore an entire road away like it never existed. Proof of how terrifying nature can be when it gets angry. A wild black bear entered a Florida neighborhood, and the moment a car's headlights shone, it darted up a tree with lightning speed. It looked like a ski slope, until a moose came barreling down as a shortcut. Bonus, a bystander got wiped out trying to dodge it. If you were holding the camera in this situation, would you A, keep filming, or B, drop your phone and run? Comment your answer. Wild boars are common in Texas and often seen as a nuisance, but this time they became unexpected cycling companions.
Oh my gosh.
What if animals start learning human habits? A kangaroo near Lake Macquarie stood by the road waving, like trying to catch a bus. In forest-adjacent towns like Pambula, wild kangaroos often wander into neighborhoods and display territorial behavior. Keeping your distance is vital. Have you ever seen a goat use a broom to scratch its back? Comment if your pet has weird habits too. American black bears often appear near homes in winter to search for food. Birdseed boxes are among their favorite targets thanks to their sharp sense of smell. A lost black bear brought traffic to a halt on the Santa Clarita Freeway. Drivers patiently gave way, a small but civil gesture. Forgot to book an eye exam? This deer in Matawan took matters into its own hooves, crashing a vision center unexpectedly.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. No, this way, buddy.
Instead of a casual walk, this bear chose to unwind by knocking over a road sign. And judging by the confidence, it wasn't his first time.
There is an alligator on the deck.
Ever seen someone break into a house through a second-floor staircase? In South Carolina, the latest culprit wasn't a thief or a cat. It was a 6-foot-long alligator.
Now what? I did. We are saving you.
Baba.
Seeing deer walking through the streets of Pagosa Springs is nothing unusual. Proof that wildlife lives much closer to us than we think. Think you're living close to nature? Wait until you see a giant cat leap over your wall. Nature is always around, and with just a bit of carelessness and something tasty, you might get an extra guest at your door. Thought getting sand in your shoes was the worst part? Think again. This man nearly stepped into a deadly snake hidden inside.
Just gone to the toilet every bit. So this one here would probably be a few years old now, so they can obviously get a lot bigger than this.
He's gonna be a good looking snake. Alright, see you later, little buddy.
In the Czech Republic, Juris prison had an unexpected incident. A kangaroo escaped and stayed missing for a week, only to return as if nothing ever happened.
What are you doing?
In a Jacksonville kitchen, Raccoon Bento attempted a sneaky stove climb, but failed hilariously when the oven door popped open and sent him tumbling. Two hungry grizzly bears thought they were about to feast until a bear-proof trash can crush their hopes. A brutal battle between instinct and technology. In Denver's heat, two clever dogs beat the sun by lounging under an umbrella with a refreshing pile of ice right in the middle of the market. Not a late student, but a massive four-legged visitor. A moose casually strolling past a school bus stop left everyone stunned.
An iguana in your toilet.
In Florida, iguanas can crawl through drainage systems and sometimes show up in the most unexpected places, like your toilet. Hoback is a famous moose in Grand Teton, and spotting it in the wild is a once-in-a-lifetime moment for nature lovers.
All right. Oh, here it is here. It's out in the open.
This isn't a movie. It's real life in Queensland. Hit like and subscribe to never miss these wild nature pop-ins.
Got him.
A beaver was spotted dragging a tree branch across a New York highway. In an instant, the ground swallowed several cars whole. A chilling reminder: nature gives no warning, and no one is immune to the consequences. It's as if the entire mountain woke up and unleashed its fury on the valley. Nature doesn't mess around, and it always demands our respect.